Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the AmazFit GTS 2 Mini. So I got this for Amazon and I got this for amazing price of 3139. Watch the review part to learn more about the pricing. So I got in this nice flamingo pink color and it comes in this nice white box with some regularity information printed at the backside. You can see the packaging of July 2022 and this is probably a 500 milliampere battery. You can see the features like slim and light design, always on display, their oxygen saturation measurement and 60 plus port modes. It also comes with Alexa built in. So let's bring our unnecessary black scissor and cut the seal off. Now I'm not happy with the packaging because it's very small and I think they are following other brands like those Bolt and Bolts because the AmazFit Verge Light box was super premium. So let's open this up. And there's a tray that slides right out and you can see a nice smartwatch in probably fitted, nice flamingo pink color. Let's open its outer ring covering, which is surprisingly sealed, which is good stuff. So nice fresh piece. Let's open the seal and put it out of the plastic. So this is Flamingo Pen GTS 2 Mini, pretty premium design. Just look at the finish guys. Let's boot it up for the first time. You can see the AmazFit logo and a QR code scanner. On the back it seems to be a little bit plastic and you have the charge sensor. So let's see what's inside the box. So there is this box inside the box and let's open this box and there's the booklet. So this is your regular leaflet, regular booklet for AmazFit smartwatches. Pretty big. Let's keep this inside. Now let's see the charger. So in the box you have this charger, nice wrapped, but the packaging seems to be a little difficult to remove, surprisingly. So finally I was able to remove the packing and you have nice black finish and you have this magnetic charger. So it just fits right away and this would only fit in one direction, so and this way, there you have it. So I will use this for a while and we'll be back with my full review. Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the AmazFit GTS 2 Mini and I must say I'm really impressed with this smartwatch. Now this was an upgrade over my Verge Lite. Now the reason why I upgraded is just because the display of this is almost gone. Like half of the thing is not visible, as well as this casing came out, so I used the glue to join this, and again now the buttons is not pressable, so I couldn't exit or work out. So otherwise I would use this, but again right now it's not in complete usable condition, though it still runs and still the battery life is amazing. The display looks cool, but just this is weird. So I just got the new watch. As this is the GTS 2 Mini, I got it pink because pink is a new trend guys. It's pink and you can see how nice this is built. Like this is metal unibody design. Again the back is polycarbonate, but this whole thing, this ring as well as the glass, it's a premium smartwatch. You can see AMOLED display, pretty amazing. Now the price I got was also amazing because right now I can see on Amazon it's 5,999. And on AmazFit's website during sale days it was 5,500 and on Amazon this was 4,500. Stellar deal I would say. Plus I got 1,000 cashback from my Amazon Pay credit card, so I just paid 3,391 for this watch. Plus I did a 5% additional discount because I shopped from my Amazon Pay credit card. So again the deal that I got was amazing and that's the clickbaity of this video, but it's not necessary that all you guys will get this deal, but I must say wait for offers. Get for 4,500. If you have an Amazon Pay credit card or Flipkart Access Bank credit card, you're going to get additional 5% off in that case. So yeah, you can get this around 4,300 or something like that, which is a stellar deal for this watch because 1.5 years ago I bought this 2-year-old watch for 4,900. So in that person, this is a really great upgrade. Now again, this is not a review video, this is an impression video, so let me know if you want an in-depth review in Hindi or English. So if it would be English, come in this channel. If it's Hindi, it will come on the Tech Show Hindi channel. The last Words Light review video we did in Hindi, so you can watch that as well. So let's discuss my initial impression 1 week with this watch. Right now you can see it works great with the Zepp app, and everything just works. The Strava sync that I configured in my Watch Lite now works with this watch as well. You can watch that video, how to sync your workouts with the Strava, as well as now this syncs to Apple Health. So if you have an Apple Health app, Apple Fitness, everything just syncs right here. So how many calories did I burn in a day, awards that I got. It's just amazing ecosystem. And let me check the Apple Health app, because that's amazing as well. So you can see this is from my weighing scale app. Again, it all syncs. So even on Android, this AmazFit was syncing nice with Google Fit. Even on Apple, it's syncing nice with the Apple ecosystem. So you can see it gives me average and how much active energy did I burn, and basically it has every data you want. It's just amazing. The Apple Health app, really cool. So it just syncs right with the Apple ecosystem, which is amazing. Also on my home screen, you can see there's a battery indicator right here. So this is my phone battery, and the second one is the watch battery. So that also directly on my home screen, you can see the battery percentage right here. Pretty amazing, I would say. Works nice with the Apple ecosystem and Android ecosystem. And also, see, there's no watch which is 100% accurate. Even the Apple Watch are not 100% accurate. Though I'm gonna upgrade to Apple Watch in the next 1 or 2 years. That's my target. That's why I recommend, if you're shopping for AmazFit, go with the cheaper version. That's better. In fact, I ordered the BIP-U because I just want to save the money. But then I thought, like, I'm getting amazing deal. It's just 1300 rupees difference over the BIP-U. So I was getting BIP-U for 2000 rupees and this for 3300. I would say this is a more premium design. I'm gonna use it for 1.5 years, 2 years, so why not? Again, there are gonna be people who say, why you are buying so expensive watch, but stay away from these guys, because these are the people who will say that don't buy an iPhone for 70,000 but buy an Android for 50,000. Stay away from these people, guys, pun intended. But if you seriously into fitness, you're gonna love this, because see, in fitness it's all about calorie tracking. Okay, not everything is accurate, but when it comes to some brands like the Apple Watch, the AmazFit, you have the Fitbit, they are 90% accurate when it comes to calorie tracking. And that's why if you see these brand prices are generally higher as compared to those Bolt and Fireballs. I tried the Fireball, guys. There's so much churn about that, but you know, it's not accurate. I tried it, like I didn't like it at all. The app was terrible. There was no sync with the Apple or Strava or anything like that. That's not recommended. So let's talk about this watch. I'm going off track right now. So the display looks amazing. You have the Amazon Alexa. Now that works. What's the weather today? So there's no audio, but it can do everything. So it can even turn on the lights. Demo here. Turn the lights on. AE27. It can basically read you a joke or something like that. Plethora of things. There's no audio, which is a limited concern. And again, if you're on an iPhone, you need to open the Zepp app running in background, otherwise it won't work. It will just give you error. But on Android, it will just work fine. So amazing in that concern. So also you get a lot of great. So you SpO2 sensor as well, which is pretty good. Stress monitoring as well. Again, you have all the spy and everything, which I don't use. But you also get amazing workouts with this thing, which is super important. So if you go to workout, there's tons of modes now. On my Watch Lite, there was, I think, only 2 or 3 workouts things. So if I go to workouts, you can see only few of them. Okay, where here you get amazing, you know, there's more sports as well, and it's categorized accordingly. So any sports that you do, you have it here, guys. You have it here. Super important for calorie tracking. because one sport may be more in calories versus the other. Okay, it's not necessarily the time spent outside means the same calories you're burning. Strength training, less calories versus cardio. So again, that's the thing. Also, you get a Pomodoro timer, which I love. I think that's the game changer. If you don't know what is Pomodoro, so basically you focus for 20 minutes, then you take a 5 minutes break. If you want to be more productive, that's the ideal thing. Let me find this thing. So it comes in this menu. You go to more, then here you have all the apps. So you can see Pomodoro tracker. So you can see 25 minutes, you can set, you can start, and it will give you a vibration that hey, 25 minutes done, take a 5 minutes break. Pretty amazing. That's a game changer, I would say. Also, still there is no water thing, like how much water, have water every 1-2 hours. That's missing from AmazFit. I don't know why. I see that with many smartwatches, but other than that, I don't think there's any feature missing. It has GPS as well. I've also tried some workouts, so let me go to workout history, and you can see I tried cycling and strength training. One amazing thing with this watch is the workout mode also has the live HR diagram, which was not with the case with Verge Lite. So if you're recording an activity, Verge Lite was pretty useless, right? But this, even it's recording the activity, it shows you the heart rate, it shows you the perfect time, it shows you the date, it shows you the battery. Pretty amazing. I would say it's all like basically you can see speed diagram, which is really unique with this watch. And again, the good thing with this AmazFit watch is that you don't need smartphone continuously. It's a built-in GPS, and again, the Alexa is built in. It still requires the Zep app to connect to the internet, but still built in. It's not using, because if you see this Bolt and Fireball, they advertise you have an assistant. If you press the button, they just fire the assistant on your phone, which is pretty useless. This has built in. That makes a lot of difference, guys, trust me. Now in terms of watch faces, it doesn't have much, but again, that's for a whole review thing. Let's come to battery life. So battery life, I would say, is average. Again, since low battery here already, so my camera went out of focus. So battery life, now I have the always on display on. So if I just keep this watch right now, so always on display is like smart, is in the smart mode. So if you're wearing it, it's gonna work. So I have that enabled. I have the continuous 20 minutes, 30 minutes heart rate monitoring enabled. I have stress monitoring enabled. So that's why I'm getting almost 7 days. So let me show you in the Zep app. So if I go to the Zep app, if I go to profile, if you go to GTS 2 Mini, so it should say where I charged last. I think it's not showing, but I charged it like 6 days ago. So yeah, so basically almost a week. So it's 10%. I think it will run tomorrow. So almost a week battery life with this kind of usage, which is low because my Verge Lite used to last me 15 days, though it didn't had that always on display. But apart from that, it had everything like continuous heart rate monitoring and just everything, guys. Just always on display is the thing. So, and again, this is a thin profile, so it means that it's kind of have less battery for sure. So 1 week, it's great. I mean, great. Like Apple Watch just lasts 3 to 4 days, but it's still, I missed this battery life, 15 days. Again, if I turn the always on display and if I turn all the features, I couldn't get around 13-15 days, but it's not worth it. Like, if you want more battery, that's fine. So that's pretty much for this initial impressions. If you want more in-depth coverage of workout modes, all the bugs I'm facing and everything, definitely wait for a review video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Find links in the video description. Bye bye now.